All right, so here's my starter. It's a little bit after peak. I did 1, 2, 3, 1 parts starter, 2 parts water, and 3 parts flour. Looks very good. So usually this is good for about 10 hours in the house. I keep the house at like 73 degrees. So we're going to use this guy and try a loaf here. Okay, so this I used, was it 150 grams of starter, 300 grams of water, of warm filtered water, and 500 grams of flour, and then 10 grams of salt. So I'm gonna mix this for probably a good 10 minutes until it's smooth. And hopefully we'll see what happens. All right, I feel like this is getting pretty close. It's been about 10 minutes. It's starting to stick to itself and look smooth. Now, I'm hoping, obviously, always have high hopes when I'm at this stage of the bread. But all my bread's been turning out gummy. My starter has finally started rising and falling the way it should, I guess. So I give it another week, and I feel like it's good. Before I had I did the 1, 2, 3 for feeding it, and it would never peak and fall. You know, it would just stay and then whatever. But I switched it down to 1, 2, 2 for about a week, and it started rising and falling within the allotted time, like after, I don't know, 6, 8 hours, something like that, 6 to 8. And the 1, 2, 3 would actually fall after like 10 hours then, you know, so I gave it a little bit extra time. And hoping for my first really good loaf here. So this is just everything I've seen on TikTok and whatnot, so we'll see what happens. But I feel like that's good, actually. All right, so we'll let that sit and see what happens. I'm gonna let this sit for an hour, and then I'll do my first stretch and folds. All right, well, it's been about an hour. That's good. Looks like dough. A little bit. And do the first round of stretch and folds. And let that sit for another half an hour now. Okay, last stretch and folds. This is the 4th one. So this one I'll do this kind. I forget what this kind is, but whatever. 3 geese. Looking good, smelling good. 2. see. All right. Well, I think she's good. She's got some bubbles in it, but she's looking good though. Now I'll let it sit for, I'll check in like 5 hours and do the bulk. Okay, well, it's been 5 hours. Ooh, that looks good. I think that's gonna be good. It's not sticky. Got the jiggle. High hopes. So it's got the jiggle. Poke test is good. It's got the dome. Man, I think that's gonna be good. Get a little flour down. Do I put flour? I don't know if I put flour. I don't know. I'll put a little bit of flour. So this is my first. I think this is going to be a good one. This should be my first one. Now let's see if it all comes out. Looks like it's going to come out pretty clean. Let's see. Jesus. And the verdict is, please come out clean. Not bad. I'm gonna help it a little bit, but I don't know. I think it's gonna be good. Now we'll do the shaping. I mean, it's not, some of the inside is a little sticky, but oh. Look at that bubble. All right. I think this is going to be good. Still have high hopes. I don't think I over bulk fermented. It has the bubbles. It's got the jiggle. I'm using what I got here, so it is what it is. All right. And I'll show you actually what the starter looks like. So I did this, I refed the starter after I made the dough. This is 1, 2, 3. So it's still, you know, that should be what this was in the bowl. I don't have a glass bowl, so that's what I got. So I'm gonna cold ferment it overnight, and then we'll cook it tomorrow. Bye. All right, we're done cold proofing. Let's see how she looks. Hopefully it holds its shape. Sometimes they, well, for me at least, they've been going a little flat. All right, it's not bad. All right, we'll score it. Using what I got. And since we don't have a Dutch oven, I'm using this. So this we got. And a little bit of ice for the steam. I'm going to cook it on 450 degrees for 45 minutes, and then take the cover off, and then do it for another 15 minutes with the cover off. So we'll see. She's going in. Please throw up. Need a good loaf here. All right, moment of truth. In 45 minutes, and all right, that looks pretty good. Definitely rose more than the last loaf I made. Yeah, it looks good. Leave it in there for another 15 minutes to brown up. Getting there. All right. Let's see how she looks. Not bad. All right. I don't know. I think it's gonna be good. Definitely rose better than other loaves I've had. I'm gonna let her cool down and give her a cut open. Okay, well, it's been an hour and a half. She looks good. Let me see the big reveal here. Doesn't feel dense. Let's see. Nice crust. Please don't be gummy. And the verdict is... It's not, I mean, I don't know. It's not that bad, but definitely room for improvement. I don't know, I think that's underproofed. That's a lot of holes. But that's the most recent loaf. Oh my God. So tell me what you think. I think it's underproofed. I think I should have let it go a little more, but I don't know. That's what it is. Try again soon. Okay, one more note. I think as I get into it, it's not so bad. It's just overproofed in the middle. There's still a good bounce to it. So whatever that means, that's what it is. Bye.